Alright, so Clearwater Beach update. We had some huge wind gusts. Somebody told me they were like 74 miles an hour. Not sure about that. They felt more like 40. But yeah, we had some bad rain for a couple of days right here. Constant rain. I had the Bimini windows opened up. But man, I was taking a beating with a lot of rain coming in. So it's gusting pretty hard right now. I'm going to span you over to the water and let you take a look at that. I don't know if you can see that. The current is really whipping it. But anyway, you know, it's the catch-22 of opening up the Bimini and letting some air flow through it, or getting the inside pounded with rain. So I slept up in the Bimini last night till about 4 o'clock in the morning. Wind gusts were pretty hard. Every once in a while it would wake me up, but I stayed dry. Had my comforter, my trusty dog, kept my legs warm. It's raining again right now a little bit. So, I don't know, just an update. Just telling you what's going on out there. Pretty strong wind gusts though. I don't know, I might even think about opening up the Bimini here a little bit just to let the air flow through it. A lot of times these air gusts come through way too hard, and I mean, it could rip a Bimini right off these things. There's a couple of boats here in the marina that have had their Bimini, looks like somewhat torn off. I'm not sure if it's from literally got torn off, or, I mean, a lot of them are held on by snaps. So the snaps could have got ripped off, which wouldn't be so bad. Brad next to me, B-Rad. He hopes his Bimini's ripped off so he can get a new one from his insurance company. I see right now that there's a rip in it right now. So just a Clearwater, Florida update. Really windy. I think it's going to be like this for probably the rest of the day. But we're holding good. The lines are holding good. I'm swaying back and forth a little bit, but you know, really no more than anybody else. So I've got that crisscross rope situation taken care of. And my Bimini's being stressed out a little bit. Watch the wind stress it. But it's flexing and working really well. I think it's only a couple of years old, the Bimini up here. The window glass looks good. It's not too faded. You know, when the sun eventually hits these things too long, the windows fade on them. So then it's time to go to spin. Oh God, who knows how much to replace these things. So I'm going to stay up on top of it. All right, just a quick little Clearwater, Florida update. The current's ripping. Look at that. All right, well, have a good day.